Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another yarn unboxing. I have purchased some yarn in October. It was end of October, I believe October 29th from Herrschners. They took their precious time to arrive. I hope it didn't go to the West Coast, which Vancouver area is a disaster, so I'm hoping that it didn't go that way. It did arrive with a rip, so it's Herrschners again from United States, WI, from Stevens Point. It was shipped from, and says 9 pieces I have ordered, and I paid 39 American dollars, so I did not pay custom fee for this this package. And my only thought was, I hope it did not go to BC, but it did arrive like this. So what I'll do is, last time it came in a huge box. This time they shipped it in a bag, but it's a hole in it. So yeah. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to cut it from here. So I don't want to cut any yarn. Okay. And see, I went in back and ordered one more yarn because I had to see the quality of the yarn. Okay, I'm dumping everything. I forgot what I bought. Like totally. Oh, look at this color. Okay. There's nothing on here. Oh, it says return and exchange. Oh, okay, here we go. So I paid $15.94 for the shipping, and I had a discount. Yes, I had a birthday discount. That's why I went and ordered. Yeah. Oh, maybe it was, you know what? I did not order. I'm getting confused because I'm waiting for another package that was ordered on October 29th. So I ordered this. Yeah, but this is not the true date. It was before my birthday I have ordered. So they send me a 15% discount. That's the reason. So $5. Well, it's $6. It's I saved up money from the shipping, right? And I think when I'm comparing to any other companies, like when I go and go online and brand website, they're charging like almost 40 American dollars to ship to me. So I think this is the cheapest amount so far I've been receiving. Well, I did not buy it much as well, many yarn. Again, I ordered one of this to see how the quality was, and I just love it, love it, love it. So I went in back and I ordered 5 more, so I have total of 6. So stay tuned for that tutorial that I mentioned on the how to crochet the lace stitch shell stitches. So I am going to be making a tutorial on how to crochet top down using that stitch. So with this yarn, and I just love it. I don't know, I just love the colors, the combination. It's nice. It's cotton. So, and it feels so good. I did go to AliExpress. They do not have this color. So I went back and I had to order it through Herrschners. And the price wasn't that bad when you look at it, right? So the price was $5.99. If you look at it, $5.99. And again, I got the 15% discount. So that's the reason I went back. Okay, I'm just looking at it. I think one is missing. Can you see? Oh, they forgot to. Oh, I hate this Soho Play. They forgot to put this one, $3. Did it fell when I dumped it? Let me just look. Okay, I found it when I dumped the bag. It must have fell. Oh my goodness. Look at this color. Oh, I think I saw the same color on AliExpress. I'm not quite sure. So this one is called the Soho Playful. So this took 2 weeks for it to arrive. If they if they shipped it this date, because I don't know when they shipped it. I didn't receive any tracking number. I just received that they got my order, right? So that's another complication. And I don't know. Should I go and order more? Because this is $3 per ball. Yeah, but I don't get any discounts. Oh, geez. I have to think about this. This is really soft. Oh, look at this. So it's like a 3-weight. It says it's a 4-weight. But when you compare this to this, see, this is a 4-weight and this is way thicker. Can you see? So this is called Willow Yarns. This one is 100 gram. Garden Party. The color is 0100. And it's 87% cotton and 13% nylon. And it says it's a 4-weight made in China. Okay, but AliExpress, they don't carry this color, but they carry this color. Okay, so this one says it's a 4-weight, but it's more, oh, a medium 4-weight. Okay, medium maybe. But it's more like a light. It doesn't say anything on this one. I'm just comparing it. So this one has 65% cotton, 35% acrylic. Oh, wow. Again, made in China. I have to do a research. I don't know. I have to think about this. This is a really nice color. Especially there's cotton in it, right? So soft. Doesn't feel like there's cotton. It's really weird. Okay. I definitely need to look into this. Can you see the colors? Pastel rainbow. So that one's called the Soho Playful, and it's $3. Lullaby. What am I saying? Oh my goodness. I'm just shocked to see the color. It's just gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's carry on. So I bought 5 of this Garden Party from Willow, the brand. Okay, so I'm going to start that. Okay, and then I fell in love with these cottons. Like, oh my goodness. I have never ever tried these colors. Never saw them, and this is called the Village yarn. Of course, Americans shouldn't, you know this, but I don't. So I just had to see, but they look alike. I can even combine something with these two because the colors matches. See, but this one has the lime green in it, the apple green. Oh, this is just lovely. Wow, and it's so soft. It's not like the other cottons that we use, Brunette, or what else do we have here in Canada? I think we only have Brunette. Lily something. Made in China. It's 56 gram, 100% cotton, but it's so soft. Oh, wow. I'm just surprised. Oh. I looked if they had bigger ones, but at first I needed to see the color right. They do have it in a pound, so I was kind of hesitant to buy them. First, oh, look at this color. This is like the Christmassy holiday colors. Oh, wow. Look at the colors. Oh, I would highly recommend if anyone didn't try or see them like me. You know, I buy everywhere, but sometimes you miss these beautiful colors. Oh my goodness. So soft. I just can't believe it. And there's lots of yarn in here, like 56 grams. So how much did I pay for this? So there were for $2.29. These are all in American. So we have to pay more when it comes to Canadian. So I paid a total of $52. People tell me to hide my address. Well, if you Google me, you'll find me. I don't know. Like, I'm very popular. If you search me and put my name, you will find everything. Anyway, so I paid $52 with the discount. So this So I will definitely watch for discounts. And then first time I received a magazine. So I guess ordering one after another, they send me a magazine. But you know, it's these yarns are overwhelming when you look at the colors. I just have to go through them one at a time. Look at these colors. Aren't they beautiful? I just love them. Yeah. Nice colors. So I didn't even have a time. I just glanced at it. I just looked at it. So I'm not quite sure what else is in there that I haven't tried. Well, these are most of them we can find here in Canada. Brunette Velvet. I still have lots, and I'm planning to make a bed cover for my bed. Sometimes I would highly recommend, if you're crocheting or knitting for a long time, just lay on your bed and put something under back on your back to support. So I do that, I don't know, every couple of hours, because I do knit and crochet for long hours, like till 4 a.m., right? So I do that off and on. And sometimes I like to put something over my over me. So I'm planning to use up those velvet yarns that I have. So yeah, this is free. I hope it's free. So they mailed it to me. It came today. And the yarn came today. So this was like surprise to me. Yeah. Premier. I tried to go on order through Premier. They're very expensive as well for shipping. So the one that well, I'm not buying that many. That's another thing. So here are the prices. Poolside. I really love these colors. I'm thinking of making, I don't know, you can even make tops for yourself with these beautiful colors. But yeah, I have to think about this. Maybe I will hoard them for a while and then until I figure out. So I hope you like this short unboxing. Where did I put the fifth bone? Oh my goodness, did it fell? I bought 5 of this. So, oh, here it is. It fell. Okay, so I'm going to start that tutorial ASAP right after this video. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and hit that notification button so you will be notified every time I post a video on YouTube. Yeah, and I really appreciate your feedback. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please do follow. I do post pictures, finished items, whips that I'm working on. And tomorrow is the 27th of November. It's I'm going to be on live stream. I don't know how long I'll be on live stream. It depends on the day, how it's busy here, because it's a Saturday, right? And I'll try to come early. And I know some people can't join me because there's time difference if they're in a different country, right? That's another thing. So stay tuned for the tutorial that I'm going to start right away. I'm just going to show you how to start the beginning with this gorgeous yarn. And then I will do the live stream tomorrow. Well, take care, everybody. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. I'm just overwhelmed with these beautiful colors that I chosen. And this one, I'm just surprised. I just can't believe it. How quality the yarn is. You know, I ordered one just to see the quality, right? But it's just fantastic. I just love it. And I ordered from the auction from Turkey, Iplik outlet, so I'm getting more of this colors. And I haven't started that 4+ extra large custom order yet, so I don't know. I really like this color. So okay, I'm going on and on. Take care, everybody.